Okay, if anyone was wondering, these are the horses at my friend's house. This is Charlie, the quarter horse. Yeah, cute boy. See, here's her body. Yeah, Charlie. So sweet. Okay, this is the dad, an Arabian. Oh, you big butt. He took off on me yesterday, and I lost my phone. Thank you, Pizzazz. Anyway, here he is. He's fat and annoying. Isn't that right? Grace. And this is my Gracie Poo. Come here, Grace. Come here. Hi, sweetie. Yes, I love you. I love you. This is Grace. She's a thoroughbred. I'm training her. Isn't that right? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Grace. Grace. Look. It's a camera. Do you like cameras? I'm sure you've been on one. Alright. So, yep, that's all the horses. Thanks.